Hi everyone. In today's video, let us look into the formula for uniform acceleration along a straight line. When an object is moving in a straight line with a uniform acceleration, so there are some derived formulae to calculate the displacement and the initial velocity, final velocity, and the time interval and the acceleration. There are some certain formula. So these are applicable only when the acceleration is in uniform motion. So let us see the first one. And the first one is to derive v is equal to u plus at, and this is the first one. Initially, to derive this we have to know the definition of acceleration. So that is, according to the definition, we know that acceleration a equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by total time taken. We know that the acceleration has rate of change in velocity with the time interval. So now with this, by cross multiplying this, a into t equal to v minus u. So by taking u this side, this becomes positive, and finally the at plus u is equal to v. So here v equal to u plus at. So this is the first one. Now the second one, that is the displacement one, s is equal to ut plus half at square. To derive this, we have to consider something that first one, let us say displacement as s and the time taken to cover the displacement as t. Now the displacement of an object which is moving with a uniform acceleration is known as s is equal to average velocity into time. That is nothing but, we know that average velocity formula, right? Average velocity equal to total displacement, that is s by time. So by this cross multiplying we get s equal to average velocity into time. Now we know this, s is equal to average velocity, that is u plus v, that is initial velocity and final velocity by 2 into t. From this we know that s is equal to, here from this equation, u plus and the value of v as u plus at total by 2 into t. So here let me demonstrate this in next paper. Now up to here we have written in the last page. Now s is equal to 2u plus at by 2 into 2. Now by simplifying this, u plus into t, sorry this one t, 1 by t ut plus half at square, and this is the second one, right? This formula is used to find out the displacement when the motion of an object is in uniform acceleration. And let us see the third one. The third one is relation between displacement, uniform velocity, initial velocity, final velocity and the acceleration a. we have that displacement is equal to average velocity, that is u plus v by 2, that is initial velocity plus final velocity by 2 into the time taken. And from this we can write u plus v by 2 into v minus u by a st, that is from the accelerator, from this first equation, that is from v equal to u plus at. From this we get time t as v minus u by a. So by taking t in the place of t, this one, we get this. So finally s is equal to this one, a plus b into a minus b, that is u square minus v square by 2a. So from this 2as is equal to u square minus v square, and this is the relation. And the next one is displacement of an object in the nth second. In nth second, that is, we know that s of n as un plus half an square, that is at a time t equal to n. Here if we keep t equal to n, we get this. So again, displacement at n minus 1 second. So from this we get s of n minus 1 equal to u into n minus 1 plus half a into n minus 1 whole square. Now the displacement of an object at n second, object at nth second. So we get Sn is equal to S of n minus S of n minus 1. So by substituting these, we get that the nth second Sn displacement at n second as 1 by 2 a into 2n minus 1 plus u. So finally these are the formulae we calculated for the equation of motion for a body moving with uniform acceleration along a straight line. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.